Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to can enhance your clip from this to something like this with a few tools. First, we're going to need a tool which is called Photo-D Video Enhancer. You can download this from the description. Just open it, and I'm going to go in the AI enhancer and open the video enhancer. Then just import your clip. After importing a clip, you need to follow my settings. I'm going to select the general model, then I'm going to select 4x. Make sure you select the quality first option. After the enhancement, it will look something like this. Pretty good. Then I'm going to take this clip to After Effects and I'm going to add some color corrections. As you can see the before and after. Then I'm going to add a texture on it to make it smooth. Okay, now time for the color correction. I'm going to add a color correction. This will be available in the description also. After the color correction, it will look something like this, which is super nice. I hope you guys like this color correction. And make sure to try our other tools also from Photo-D, like this image expanding tool. You can expand your image size with it to get a more view in your images. As you can see, it worked pretty nicely. Let me show you another example. Just add the prompt and click on generate, and it will make your image in expanded view and also in good quality. As you can see, it's detailed. And do try other tools also, like image enhancer and many more. You can enhance your images with also, and it will work pretty nicely. And then there's another useful tool, which is colorizing your video and photos. You can also colorize your old videos and photos with it, just like this. And yes, photos also. So I hope you guys download this from the description, and I'll see you in the next video. So see ya.